Hey everyone, welcome back to the shop. No camping today, quite honest. I'm getting kind of done with the old camping in the winter and going to provincial parks. So I'm kind of antsy to go to backcountry. And I don't really have many places, so I don't want to inundate you with the same stuff all the time. So I'm gonna mix it up today. Hopefully next week I'll find a cool place to go. But today we're gonna put some mud flaps on my truck. I ripped a couple off. This one's missing, and I have one that's completely missing on the other side. So I'm gonna put some nice Gatorbacks. Picked them up from Dodge. They were awesome. So that's what we're gonna do. First things first, I need to measure up. I wanna make sure the mud flaps are in the exact same spot. So I'm gonna use a white paint pen and just make a little mark on my paint. It'll be easy enough to wash off after the fact. And then that way I have a pretty good reference point on where they should need to go. And then I'm gonna uninstall the old ones, all right? All right, I just need to wipe this off so the paint pen works. I have an old rag I don't care about. And then get this a good shape. Just gonna put this here and be like, there, so now I'll have to eyeball the other side. So I'm just gonna do all the rest of them, and then I'll see you back when I start pulling these things off. Now I got that all set. I just need to undo all the bolts for the old mud flap since I have it marked down, but I'm gonna let that dry for a few minutes while I get my drill and stuff ready. Hopefully this battery is charged. So, I think, oh no. Well, I thought I almost had a issue, but I think I have a solution, but we're gonna soon find out. All right, kind of ran into a little bit of technical difficulties. Unfortunately, the back ones, I might have to take the wheels off in order to do them. And, right, these are the rears. Those might have to wait, because I didn't bring the proper tools with me, unfortunately. So, here we go. Here's the front. This will be, the metal pipe goes backwards, so that's that side. I need a bunch of these. These are gonna go in here because I don't need them. Well, I got the fronts on. They look pretty good. They're on there pretty good. But the rear, I didn't bring the proper tool with me. I'm gonna have to take my tire off with an impact and then put them on because I just don't have enough room to put my drill in there. So probably tomorrow, yeah, that's providing I can find the proper tool. Yeah, I'll have to find someone that can loan me an impact to get those off. Same with that one. That one's on. I'm not worried about that one too much because it's not destroyed. So I think what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna put the one side on, leave that one, but I'm gonna take the plate off of it just so it matches. I know, I'm a weird one. But other than that, I think I'm gonna come back tomorrow and finish up that other side. So I'll see you then. Hey everyone, back at the shop. I finally got the proper tools, got an impact. Now I can jack up my truck. I'm only gonna do the one side because this one side isn't ripped off and it's still good. So I'm gonna keep the other one as a spare just in case I ever rip it off again. So, all right, let's jack up the truck and let's go. All right, that made things way easier. Now I need to figure out which one's which. Nope. Yep. Okay. I think 5 will probably be more than enough. I need the drill, and I need this. This one. Oops. All right. Pretty good. So I'm happy with this. I think one final thing is there's a plate on the other side I'm going to pull off, but I want to get this tire on first. This is gonna be fun, I think. There we go. Right, that's it. So I need to take this off and put it back here, and then I need a screwdriver of some sort. There we go. All right, this is the size. Throw it in there, and then I need a creeper, and then we're gonna take that plate off, and then we're done. I don't know. Where's it on it? All right, that's it. So I know you guys don't necessarily like these kind of videos, but I make them because honestly, I need to divide things up, because I'm sure you're getting bored with old provincial camping until I can get out backcountry camping. But I do have a surprise coming. You guys are just gonna have to you two are just gonna have to wait until it comes. But it's gonna be a game changer for me. I love it. This is garbage. This I'm gonna keep. I'm not gonna do the other side because, well, I don't need to. All right, I'm gonna call her a day. Everything's all packed up. I just need to throw this in the garbage and close things up, and I'll see you on the next one.